disappear without a trace and be gone.
And I've been jamming like this since 06 with kicks that barely lasted a day. And I felt the rhythm and made my decision. A question, his path is my fate. And I've been rocking big jeans and big dreams and creams that keep the smart babe. And I felt the rhythm of vipers and villains and watched them as they fly away. I thank my mom and dad 'cause they were jamming too. One put me on to jazz, the other onto groove. Said tell them sorry for my attitude. Said Ruby one and I'll say Ruby do. I've been running through the skies, I've been running my own mind. I've been running since I'm 5, you know. And I'll never let nobody take what's on my shine. Never let me have my time, we know.
I've been sitting by my window pane, listening for voices in the rain.
And I've been jamming like this since 06 with kicks that barely lasted a day. And I felt the rhythm and made my decision. A question, his path is my fate. And I've been rocking hard styles, Paddington bears and glass that scared some people away. And I lost track at 13, yes I've been and seen, and still I'm here to stay.
I'm finally home. Det har været en forfærdelig tur hjem, og min næse er stoppet. Det minder mig om min sidste nat, der havde jeg virkelig en vrede, der kom indenfra, fordi at jeg havde stoppet næse. Og derfor var jeg bare frustreret over folk, der var sådan, ja, du er afhængig. Hvor jeg havde behov for at forklare folk, at ja, jeg er afhængig. Men der er altid et punkt, der hedder, jeg kan ikke trække vejret. Jeg har købt Burger King. Jeg tror, jeg har mast det lidt på vej hjem. Jeg har købt tops og nogle pomfritter med lidt ekstra på. Det synes jeg er lidt sjovt. So, this is what I got. Ej, jeg synes... Jeg fryser. Hvorfor skal det være så koldt? Fuck, jeg hader, at der er så koldt. Jeg er så sulten, at jeg faktisk har kvalme. Kender I godt det? Det er ubehageligt. Det er virkelig ikke rart. Jeg er så sulten. Jeg synes ikke, det